Connecting eBay with Payoneer is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, sign in to your Shopify store. Next, from the bottom, click on Settings. Then select Apps and Sales Channel from the side menu. Now you can see 2 apps are already installed. So tap on the Shopify App Store button from the top right. Here in the App Store, make a search for eBay. Many search results will appear. Click on eBay Integration and Sync DPL. Then click on the Install button. This way you can connect eBay with Payoneer. After connecting your Payoneer account, consider conducting a test transaction to ensure payments are routed correctly to your Payoneer account. Once payments are received from eBay, you can manage your earnings and withdraw funds to your Payoneer account. eBay allows sellers to link their Payoneer account for receiving payouts. Connecting your eBay seller account with Payoneer can streamline the receipt of payments and provide you with a convenient way to manage your finances.